Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can crop your video using CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already created a project on my CapCut PC application and I'm going to show you how we can crop this video. First thing first, we can select the video and then we're going to click on this resize icon. Just click on this resize and then here you can crop your video. You can choose the crop ratio. You can either choose free or 1:1 or 3:4. It's up to you. And for me, I'm just going to choose free. And then we can crop it freely. Okay, just like this. And you can also rotate your video if you want. But I'm just going to crop my video and then I'm going to click on confirm. And as you can see guys that my video has been cropped. And yeah, that's so simple. You just need to click your video and click this crop or resize icon. Okay guys, and that's how we can crop video on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.